Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Miami Springs local and long distance movers near me. Suppose you are moving to Miami Springs FL from within the city or its environs. That is a local move. It would help if you were particular about getting a moving company that operates locally and offers excellent moving services. Miami Springs Local 3 Movers have the best local movers in Miami Springs. Your belongings are in safe hands with a team of experienced locals who are competent and trustworthy. You can enjoy the beautiful sights in Miami Springs while FL Movers ensure that you have a smooth relocation. We are always committed to completing your move on schedule at affordable prices. Are you moving from Miami Springs FL to a far distance and concerned about getting the right help? We have the solution for you. A long distance move has more difficulties than a local move. While a local move can encourage a bit of DIY, long distance moves do not. Long distance moves may also require other services like moving storage, so it is best to use professional movers with ample experience with long distance moves across the state or country. Miami Springs Long Distance 3 Movers are the go-to long distance movers for a smooth and practical move. With a team of experienced professionals who prioritize safety and meet your deadlines, Miami Springs 3 Movers Long Distance Moving Team guarantees the safety of your belongings. It will provide moving storage if the move exceeds a day. You will also avoid damage to your fragile belongings. Your belongings will be safe with their efficient packing system for long-distance moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Miami Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.